Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Monday.com. Well, we'll start on the Monday.com home screen so you can follow along from a clean slate. From here, open the board where you want to use checklists. In this example, I'm selecting a board called Sample Project, but you can use any board that contains items or tasks. Opening the board first ensures the app we're about to install will be available right where you need it. Next, look to the top right of the screen and click the 6-dot icon. This is the quick access menu that exposes extra tools and extensions. In the menu that opens, choose Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you find official apps and integrations that extend Monday.com's features. Once the Marketplace loads, go to the search bar and type checklist. You'll see several options, but the one we want is called Checklist for Monday. Click that result to open its app page. Here, you can review the description, screenshots, and details to confirm it does exactly what you need. If you manage a team account, it's a good idea to quickly check compatibility and permissions before installing. On the app page, click Installs. You may see an install button more than once. Go ahead and click it again to confirm. Depending on your account setup, Monday.com might prompt you to approve permissions or choose where the app will be available. If you're not sure, keep it to the workspace and board you're currently using. If you don't have the right permissions, reach out to an admin to complete this step. With the app installed, return to your board and open an item. Here, I'll click a sample task. This opens the item view, which is where the checklist will live, so it's tied directly to the task you're working on. Inside the item, look for the checklist option that the app added and click it. This brings up the checklist panel or widget. From this panel, you can start building your checklist right inside the task. It's designed to be simple. Add your action points, keep them short and specific, and use natural groupings if your task has multiple parts. You can update progress as you go and keep everything visible to your team without jumping between tools. If you ever don't see the checklist, refresh the page or make sure the app is enabled for this board. And that's it. You went from your home screen, found the app in the Marketplace, installed it, opened a task, and accessed the checklist panel so you're ready to document and track work cleanly in Monday.com.